everybody, welcome back to the channel. So this is Couples Reviews with me and Kennedy.
Fix my hair.
So today we are my brother's 2018 Dodge Demon. This thing is awesome. If you don't know, I personally have a Hellcat, and it's fixed up, and you might say it's faster than the Demon, but to be determined. Anyways, this is our review of the 2018 Dodge Demon. So first things first, you get a drag car out of the box from Dodge. It's a car that's capable of 965 in the quarter mile. Now, no one's proven to do that besides Dodge themselves, but it is capable of that. You still get all the amenities of a normal Hellcat. You get heated and cooled seats. You get a heated steering wheel, full air conditioning. You can actually seat 4 people in here. Kevin doesn't have the rear seat delete yet, but you could still comfortably fit 4 people in here. Now this is, what number is Kevin's? 1506? So this is 1506, it's yellow jacket. The hood, roof, and trunk are wrapped in black vinyl, and the whole front end is expelled to protect the paint. Kevin does have the race PCM in, which enables you to have 100 octane race gas, which enables you to run 840 horsepower. And the skinnies are on currently, and we're driving around daily with these, which is very dangerous, and we're probably gonna die, but that's okay. So this is kind of our review. Biggest differences on the inside is kind of the gauge layout. The Uconnect's a little different than mine, also because it's 2018. It's got Alcantara on the steering wheel, which is super comfortable and soft. It's got Alcantara in the door panels here also. Other than that, the Demon logo behind Miss Kennedy here. Other than that, what do you think?
I was just about to say, I really like the Demon logo in the seats. I also really like the red seat belts.
Yeah, the red seat belts are a nice touch.
I like that it says Demon and that it says who it was built for, which is super cool because it's like yours forever. You know?
It's built for you.
Yeah, forever. And I also like the how do you say it?
Alcantara.
Alcantara,
whatever.
Alcantara.
Can't spell it.
Yeah, and it's also on the seats as well.
It is
the
on
leather.
the vented part of the seat here. The only option Kevin doesn't have, which you can get, is the sunroof. Kennedy is a huge fan of sunroofs, so -1 for the Dodge Demon.
Kevin, you're gonna have to put one in there.
We'll cut it.
Cut it out.
Yeah, we'll cut it. So you do have your normal SRT options here. So you can see this is auto, so it's just the 808. You can go to drag mode. So now it's in drag mode. The AC is being diverted to the intercooler to help cool the car, which is part of the Killer Chiller system. And you go down here, hit this little guy if you want to get the race gas for the 840, which you can see, but so it said high octane on, but once you start going, it's going to kick you back to the 808 because it's not going to recognize the 100 octane because there's not 100 octane in here. Kevin does use 91 octane with boosting to achieve the 100 octane to unlock the 840 horsepower, but right now it's just straight 91 octane, so we're going to turn that off. And let's go take this thing for a drive and see what we think.
How did that feel?
Wow. So it was spinning until about 40 something miles an hour, and there's a cop right there. That is a cop. Look. There's a cop right there. He wants to race. Let's go, boy!
No, one thing that I really like about the Demon is that it is super quiet. I really like that it's quiet.
It's true, my Hellcat's really loud.
Well, not that I don't like that it's loud, but it's just...
It's nice that you can just drive it around
as a daily, and it's quiet, and then you can still race it whenever you want to.
Smash on everybody.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's badass.
He's giving us a thumbs up.
We'll jump on the highway here, but when you floor it, you do know the back end just dropped because the suspension is definitely set up as a drag car. Whereas the Hellcat's a little stiffer unless you turn the suspension into sport mode. But this thing, even in street mode, back end just drops when you floor it. It's pretty sweet. Whatever. Alright, so the cool thing is, after we beat the shit out of it, you can just turn the AC on and drive it like a normal car. So this car, MSRP is at $89,000. Kevin didn't pay over sticker because he wouldn't, and Texas Dodge really hooked it up for him. So this car is badass. It is super fast, super quiet. I don't care what anyone says on YouTube, on the forums. This car is badass. You should go drive one. I get it, they're heavy, but for what you get, and you get a warranty, and you can beat the crap out of it constantly. Especially, I haven't drove it on the race gas tune yet, which I really am excited to see kind of the difference in power. But this thing is awesome. It still spins to like 40, 50 miles an hour. It's insane. With there's ET Street R's right now on it instead of the Nittos. So it actually should hook up better, but it still spins to like 40, 50 miles an hour. But everyone always wants to compare it to other cars, but the Demon is in a league of its own. I don't care what anyone says, because there is no car from the factory that compares to the Demon or the capabilities of the Demon. People in ZR1s have obviously ran just as fast as Demons in the 10s, but no ZR1 has made it to the 9s, and you can't buy a ZR1 from the factory running 9s, so quit comparing the dang cars. But that's gonna do it for Kennedy and I's review on this car. I think it's badass, and we can just drive it like a normal car now. Kennedy?
That's all I have.
Alright, make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39, at Kennedy McCall, and we'll see you guys on the next one.